We'll guide you through how to make all TikTok videos and posts private. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Of course, you can do this one by going on the post or video, tapping the three dots over to the right. You can then find privacy settings at the bottom and you can go and change them, but that'll take a long time. So come to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right. Go down and tap settings and privacy. And what you then need to do is go and find the option for Activity Center in Content and Display. Scroll down and go and find Manage Post Visibility. And you then need to go and select all of your posts like so. Go and select all of your posts and videos like so, and you can select next at the bottom, and you can then select Only You. Press Update, and that'll make them all private. As the Only You option means that just you will be able to go and see them. But of course, in the future, you can always go and adjust the visibility again. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I look forward to catch you in the next one.